Good afternoon, Akshat.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
afternoon,
beta.
ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Chalu.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ready with your copies?
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, what we are going to do? Ma'am, please wait.
Yes, ma'am. What we are going to do?
Till which number have we done the words? We were doing difficult words in the morning.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am.
how many have we done?
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. How many words have we done?
Ma'am, 47.
47
we have done
words.
46 words. 46.
No, ma'am,
What?
47
Ma'am,
words. Ma'am,
47 words,
institution,
ma'am.
Ma'am, 47 words was education institution. Ma'am, why is 47 words?
Educational
47.
institutions.
Ma'am,
46 words.
47. Ma'am, 47. Ma'am, 47.
Ma'am, 46.
Okay,
Ma'am,
those
46
who have written 46 words, just type 46 in the chat box. All those who have written 46. Those who have written 47, type number 47 in the chat box. I want to see how many are confused. Type it in the chat box. 46, 46, 47, 47. Wow. One more 46. One for you. Very good. For you is a very good number. 47.
47.
Ma'am, by mistake I read.
Yeah, I know.
Ma'am, equal.
Ma'am, it is 47.
So 1, 2,
Yes.
3,
Okay,
3
47.
are saying
No,
46 and 1, 2, 3 are saying 47. So there is no majority. How will we decide?
Ma'am, 46 again.
Ma'am, 4 are saying.
Oh, someone
Ma'am, 4 are
said
saying
47.
46. Ma'am, please
Ma'am,
wait.
it is 47.
Just wait, just wait.
Ma'am, there are 47.
Yes, ma'am.
Varin
Ma'am,
46.
46.
Dev
Ma'am,
46.
majority
Utsav
is not
47. Pratishta 47. Iram 46. Adrika 47. Anshuman
Ma'am, I have proof. Ma'am,
46.
here.
Okay, now do one thing. Now do one thing. All of you just count the numbering. Just check the numbering that you have made.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So many
ma'am.
times we miss a number or we write a number twice. So all of you just check your number.
Ma'am, my numbering is ma'am.
Very good. Utsav's number is Sai.
Ma'am, my numbers are correct. My number are also same. My number are also correct. And my number are also correct. My number are same.
Ma'am,
My number are same.
ma'am, I have one.
Okay, anyways, now see if everybody is right. Everybody is right. Now we'll do those who have written 47 will continue from the 48th word. Those who have written 46 will write 47 now. Iram, don't get so tensed. What is your tension? Huh? Tell me.
Ma'am, educational institute all 40. Ma'am, I will 6. Ma'am, 47 word is institution. 46. Ma'am,
46.
I am saying.
Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Anshuman, you are saying 46? Hurry up and send me the picture of all the words that you have written. Hurry up. And who is saying 46? Adrika, how many are
Ma'am, I am saying 46.
Utsav, how many are you saying?
Ma'am, I am saying 47.
Iram, you send me one picture. You are saying 46. Hurry up and WhatsApp me.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me figure out what the mistake is.
Ma'am, on the group, they will
No,
say.
no, personally.
I know I'm 47.
Personally. Ma'am, it is 47. Ma'am, it is 46.
Ma'am, I also say.
I am also correct. I am saying. Majority don't wins. Never wins.
Majority never wins. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
46. मैम फोटो अच्छी नहीं आ रही है.
Who is that? Anshuman.
Yeah.
Anshuman, you always send me clear pictures. What happened?
Ma'am, because I am using my father's phone today.
Okay, that's the reason.
Ma'am, camera delhi chana. Ma'am, sended. Ma'am, sended.
Send
Ma'am,
it.
I have also
Send it.
sended.
Send it is the word.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's sent. Ma'am, my number is sent. Again, check कर लेगा. Ma'am, I am also sending. Oh, ma'am, my numbering is not right. Ma'am, my numbering is not right.
But
sended
mine is right.
Not right.
Ma'am, 23, 24,
Ma'am, it is
25,
46.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40,
Ma'am, my
41,
numbering is
43, 44, 40, 46, 47, ma'am. Ma'am is correct.
Yours is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
46. Ma'am, no. Ma'am, I am with 47. Ma'am, I am with 47 again. Nahin, 46. Ma'am,
Anshuman,
46.
you have also sent me 46.
Ma'am, please check my also.
Anshuman, you are saying 47 and you're sending 46. What are you doing?
Ma'am, what I said 46, sir. Ma'am, I said 46, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
said
Ma'am,
46.
he has said 46.
Who
Ma'am,
said
I said
47? Tell me, who said 47?
Ma'am, Utsav. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
my numbering was wrong. Ma'am, my numbering
Yes. So
was
we
wrong.
have now the final conclusion is we have 46 words so far. Right?
ma'am, no 47, ma'am. I
Adrika?
didn't write extra words.
Adrika, do you have 47 words in your copy?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, education institution is the 47.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, send me the picture. Hurry up and send me.
Ma'am, I am with 46. Ma'am, 46 का captain.
Ma'am, but before he was with 47.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, मेरी numbering गलत थी. अब मैं 46 का captain. Ma'am, I have missed 10th number. Ma'am, I have missed 10th
You people are creating a chaos in class, huh? Today it's Utsav and Adrika. People like Utsav, Adrika and Pratishtha Singh. Now Pratishtha
No,
Singh,
ma'am, mine is correct.
you have written 47 words. Now you send
Yes,
me a
ma'am.
picture. Let me see.
Okay, ma'am, but my words is incorrect, ma'am.
Spellings are incorrect.
Yes, ma'am.
So why haven't you corrected them? And Anshuman, I can see your spellings also. The spelling of Darjeeling, beta.
Ma'am, I will send personally.
Huh? You have to send me personally. You also sent. Okay. 46 words from Iram Naz also.
Ma'am, you can write in the YouTube. You can write searching 46 or 47.
Validating the number. Validating the number. Huh? That should be the heading.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, now let's
Ma'am,
move
and
ahead.
And ma'am, you have not written the video name and exam.
Not written.
Ma'am, you should write exam tension.
Yes.
Of
Nervousness
children.
before exam.
Ma'am, I have sent it. Ma'am,
When
it is
my
sending.
notebook is full, now I have to start with new notebook.
करो ना.
तो तुम भी कर लो.
Okay, now listen. Why Pratishtha Singh has got 47 words? Because according to her, after 32 we have 34. There is no 33 in between.
When this was the numbering mistake.
Yes. So that is what I told you. There must be some numbering mistake. Check your numbers first. See what you have written.
Ma'am, I said that there will be 46 only.
Yes.
I also said,
Uh,
but nobody has listened to me.
And listen, Beta Pratishtha, you have
Yes,
made
ma'am.
many mistakes.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
correct them,
will
rectify
correct.
all your mistakes, because this is not
Okay,
going
ma'am.
to help you. See, we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
doing so much hard work on difficult words. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
beta.
Ma'am. Correct.
Okay. Now,
Mom, I have also corrected now.
very nice. The
Mom, I
47th
have
word.
started my new notebook.
Everybody be ready for the 47th word.
Ma'am, today we will have a half century.
Huh?
Ma'am, today we will have a half century.
Half century, yes.
Yes,
No,
century.
let's reach till Diamond Jubilee.
Diamond Jubilee?
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Silver,
ma'am.
golden, and diamond. 75 years is what? Diamond Jubilee, no?
Yes. So we have 75 words.
Yes. Let's reach up
No.
till 75 words.
Ma'am, 100 are. Ma'am, 100 words.
Century.
100.
Tomorrow it will be 100.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you start now? Century.
Yes.
Century.
I want to show you the box which I have made it.
Oh, wonderful. Very nice, beta.
Can we start? It can be open.
Ma'am, we have to do half century. Ma'am, full century. Ma'am, we can start.
Yes, ma'am.
The next word is
Ma'am, can we start? Can we start? Ma'am, can we start? Ma'am, you are muted. Ma'am, can we start?
Copy a start from dictation only.
Ma'am.
Please
Ma'am, where? Ma'am, please start.
47.
what, beta? What are you saying?
Ma'am, what is the first word?
Correspondence.
Ma'am,
Correspondence.
ma'am, what? Ma'am, what?
Correspondence.
What?
Correspondence.
Correspondence.
False.
Ma'am, we have to write in chat box also.
What,
Ma'am,
beta?
we all have to write in chat box.
No. Jayesh will write in the chat box.
Ma'am, I am not. Ma'am, can I also?
Ma'am, please repeat the word.
Beta, the word is correspondence.
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 Anshuman, beta, in your words, the spelling of Darjeeling is wrong. So make a correction.
Ma'am, I have corrected that only. Ma'am, I have corrected that.
Ma'am, the most simple spelling in this, ma'am, in this dictation is ma'am Sundarbans. Ma'am, it is.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is, ma'am.
The next word is dialects. Dialects. Anshuman will type it in the chat box.
Ma'am, what?
Dialect.
Ma'am, dialect.
I'm written.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Ma'am,
dialect.
Ma'am, what?
All of you, first of all, mute yourself. Okay, wait. Now wait. Too much of noise in the class. Now I will do one thing. Now speak something. Will you be able to speak? No. Wonderful. Now I'm happy. Okay. The next word is dialects. Anshuman will type it in the chat box. Shrishti Gupta, the word was not dialogue, it was dialect. Adrika Johari wants to ask something. You want to ask? Nod your head. No? Okay. Next word will be typed by Adrika Johari in the chat box. The word is Devanagari. Devanagari. What a peaceful class. The next word is Nahi. The spelling is Okay, Adrika Johari, the spellings are not correct, beta. Just check in the book. It's Devanagari. 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 Very good. Dev, you want to say something? Type it in the chat box. Ma'am, please unmute us. Why not? Okay, the next word is official. Official. Dave will type it in the chat box. What is the spelling of official? Very nice. Official. Very good, Srishti Gupta. The next word is mountainous. Mountainous. Devansh Rai. Devansh Rai, type it in the chat box. Okay, Iram Naz is asking what is the spelling of correspondence. The spelling is Correspondence. Yes, that's the correct spelling that you have typed. Iram, it is same like you're asking, Neha, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? You're asking the spelling, but you already know the spelling. Next. The word is written mountainous. Very nice. Devansh Rai, good. Mountainous is correct. Then the next word is Chhat Puja. What is the spelling of Chhat Puja? Lakshita Gangwar will type it. Devansh Rai, wrong beta. Utsav is saying half century. Let's go up till 3/4 century. Okay? Let's do 3/4 century today. Then the next word is Chaturthi. Very nice, Apurva. Chhat Puja. Chhat Puja. Very good, Lakshita. The next word is Chaturthi. Chaturthi, not Chaturthi. Yes, Utsav spellings are correct. It's Chaturthi, and Shrishti Gupta is also correct. The next word is Gudi Padwa. Pratyusha Singh will type it in the chat box. Gudi Padwa. Anshuman, it's not correct, beta. Gudi Padwa. It's not Gaudi. Then the next word is routinely. 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 Akshat Sahu, type the spellings of routinely in the chat box. The next word is quantities. large quantities. Very nice. Okay, the next word is determine. 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 Good. The next word is throughout. Throughout. Okay. Throughout. And then the next one, flavored. Flavored. Lakshita, beta, your spellings are not correct. The next word is coriander. Coriander. Wrong, Utsav. Yes, very good, Jayesh. Coriander. Utsav, please check the spellings, beta. Then after coriander, we have cinnamon. Cinnamon. No, Jayesh. Utsav. What are you all typing? Yes, Akshat Sahu. Very good. Correct. Iram wrong. Adrika wrong. Cinnamon. I'm talking about a spice. Yes, Anshuman. Correct. Yes, Adrika, you want to say something? Okay. For the last 5 minutes, I'm going to unmute all of you. Not now. Whatever comes to your mind, please write it down. You have to ask me in the last 5 minutes. The next word is, okay, cardamom was done yesterday. Then we have sesame. No. Ma'am, sesame hota na? It's sesame. Sesame. Then after sesame, no, Varun, your spellings are wrong. Iram, it's wrong. Yes, Jayesh, very good. Okay, the question in the chat box is, what is cinnamon in Hindi? Cinnamon is dalchini. You know what is dalchini? Now for that, if you don't know, you have to ask your mother. She'll show you in the kitchen, or you can just Google. All right. We have done 63 words, 12 more to go. Adrika, you want to ask something better? You can type it in the chat box. I will answer it in between. 62. Is it 62 words, not 63? Again, there is a confusion. Next word, pickles. Pickles. Show me a thumbs up when we reach 75 number. Okay. After pickles, we have preserve. Preserve. Very good. All correct in pickles. Then we have experience. What is the word after coriander? It was cinnamon. The word after coriander was cinnamon. The word now is experience. Okay, let me see how many go wrong here. Woolen. What is the spelling of woolen? So Adrika Johari wrong. Iram wrong. Utsav also wrong. What is the spelling of woolen? We have double O and double L. Fine. Am I audible? Looks like my signals are lost. Could you hear me, children? Okay. Then the next word is synthetic. Okay, what was the 65th word? Type it in the chat box. Number 65. Experience. The 65th word was experience. Then after experience, we have woolen and then synthetic. After synthetic, we have nylon. Nylon. The next word is churidar. Churidar. Ghagras. Ghagras. Utsav, what is this N doing in between ghagras? So many wrong ghagras. It's GHA. Then trousers. What is the spelling of trousers? Very good. Trousers. Now the next three words are pajama, dhoti, and lungis. The next three words, pajama, dhoti, lungis. Very good. Lungis. Jayesh, wrong. Summer, wrong. The spelling of lungis is not this, beta. Just check it. Lungis. The next word is equality. Equality. After equality, we have uniformly. 75 done? Okay, just the last one, children. Uniformly. How many words now? 76 words done. Children, now you can speak. You can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, go to
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, done, ma'am, done.
मैम ये हमारी पहली क्लास है जिसमें हम इतना शांत रहे हैं
Ma'am,
difficult words of
ma'am, थक गई. Ma'am, मैं चुप रह के थक
we
गई.
have just done
So
75.
you people are feeling suffocated. You have been quiet for so long.
चुप रहते रहते थक गया
Yes, now you're feeling suffocated. You want to bring that out, right?
Then after a long time, ma'am, no one has spoken. Now see you have been unmuted. And the full, all the students speak at the same time.
Ma'am, you are muted us, so ma'am, we are not talking in real too.
Yes.
Ma'am, now 100 words.
Now 100, but beta, there's no time left. Now, whenever we take up this activity next, we are going to do 25 more.
tomorrow
We can do
tomorrow
Yes, ma'am.
We can do 5 more.
Right now? Yes, we can do 5 more.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do 5 more.
Ma'am, can we enjoy for like 5 minutes?
The word 77 words.
Ma'am, it's still 27th word.
Again, you will not be able to speak. I have muted all of you.
Ma'am, but I'm not.
See, now see. Okay, the next word is occasions. Have we written occasions? Okay, write down occasions. This is the 77th word, right? Occasions. Yes. 3 more. The next word is apply. Apply. Utsav, occasions. In occasions, we have two C's. There is double C. Jayesh, double C in occasions, beta. The next word is apply. Then after it, we have symbols. Symbols. Then the next word is constitution. Constitution. Done? 80 words done, all of you? Okay. Adrika, you have missed some word in between, I'm sure. How many total have you written, beta? You can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I have written 79. Ma'am, I have missed dhoti.
Okay, till 75, you had written all the words? Till 76. Could you reach number 76?
Ma'am, I have missed dhoti. Ma'am, I'm writing that.
When I am counting my dictation words, they are coming, ma'am, 78.
My God, Pratishtha. Now you have missed two words. Okay, let's check. Have you written constitution, Pratishtha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Then wait, I'm talking to Pratishtha. Now let me finish. The next symbols.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Apply.
Ma'am, done.
Occasions.
Ma'am, done.
Pajama.
Ma'am,
Dhoti.
done.
Lungi.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Uniformly.
Ma'am, done.
Equality.
Ma'am, done.
Then we have
Trousers. Ma'am, trousers.
Synthetic.
trousers.
Ma'am, synthetic.
Madam.
Ghagras.
Madam.
Ghagras. Churidar.
Madam.
Woolen.
Nylon. Nylon you have
Madam.
written, Pratishtha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I have written.
Coriander.
Woolen.
Coriander.
Woolen.
Ma'am, I have written.
Okay.
Madam.
Synthetic. Experience.
Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, experience I have done.
Synthetic.
Ma'am, but synthetic I have not done.
Okay, write down synthetic.
And Ma'am, sesame.
Sesame.
Ma'am, sesame is done.
Then we have cinnamon.
Throughout.
Cinnamon. Throughout. Experience.
Ma'am, that is
Coriander.
also.
Preserve. Have you written preserve?
Ma'am, uniform.
Have you written preserve? I think
Flavor is also done.
flavored
Ma'am,
pickles.
Ma'am, Chhat Puja. Ma'am, pickles is also done. Chhat Puja. Chhat Puja. Chhat Puja.
Beta, there must be some problem in numbering only, I'm sure.
Okay, ma'am.
Chhat Puja, I think, is not.
Yes, Chhat
Ma'am,
Puja.
I'm
Then we
done
have
Chhat Puja.
Chaturthi. Chhat
Yes, ma'am,
Puja.
Chaturthi is also done.
Chaturthi.
Yes, ma'am. Madam.
Cinnamon.
Can I repeat all the words?
Ma'am, but time is not left.
Yes, time
Yes,
is not
ma'am,
left and I
last
have
1
already
minute, ma'am,
repeated.
bye.
I have
Yes,
repeated. I
madam.
have
No
Ma'am,
time
can
is
you
left.
send the words to Pratishtha to look? Ma'am,
Yes.
throughout.
Throughout, determine. One word was determine.
Yes, sir.
Pickles.
Yes, ma'am. I have also written determined.
Large
Ma'am,
quantities.
pickles.
Ma'am, pickles.
Pickles,
Ma'am,
large
Gudi Padwa.
quantities,
Official, ma'am, official.
Ma'am, Gudi
official,
Padwa routinely.
routinely,
Ma'am, official. Ma'am, routinely dialect Devanagari.
Devanagari dialects.
Gudi Padwa,
Ma'am, now
Gudi Padwa, Gudi Padwa,
Gudi Padwa.
Chhat Puja.